All right, and here's a look outside right now from our Jack Links camera, and you can see we got abundant sunshine. It is a beautiful day across the area, maybe a little bit more in terms of those elevated clouds by the time we get into the next several hours later this evening. But in the meantime, it is just beautiful out there. Take a look. Beautiful shot from our Ozark camera there, the Arkansas Valley Electric and Wave, and you can see it is a pretty good day across the area. Unfortunately, it's going to start to get a little bit warmer once we get past tomorrow. It's going to start to feel a little bit more like summer by mid to late week. In the meantime, if you got plans this evening, it's pretty comfortable out there, 79 in Fayetteville. And you can see we've got that sunshine as well, 79 at Fort Smith. So pretty similar out there in terms of those temperatures. So not all that bad. Here's a look at what we've got. There is a little disturbance further to the north and west that may bring some low rain chances. So when you see these, doesn't mean a washout, doesn't mean everyone's going to see it. I know there's a big complex of activity right here, but by the time it makes it to our neck of the woods, it'll be isolated to maybe scattered for northeast Oklahoma. But overall, not everyone's going to see this activity. We may or may not see rain from it. It's just one of those things we'll have to watch this evening. Other than that, we'll have some clouds roll through overnight tonight, starting off in the lower to mid 50s in northwest Arkansas. River Valley just a little bit warmer by the time we get to tomorrow morning, right around the upper 50s, maybe some lower 60s as well. Here's a look at those lows across the area, and you can see pretty nice and cool start to the morning tomorrow. It's going to be very isolated. Will be partly cloudy for the most part. But other than that, we should stay mostly dry. It's just that this evening and tomorrow, maybe a couple pop-ups may be possible. So here's a look at what we've got there for those highs tomorrow. A little bit warmer, lower to mid 80s across the region. Now, the futurecast shows maybe a couple scattered showers across portions of northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. But it looks like, if any, there's going to be a little bit more activity maybe for our eastern Oklahoma counties. So don't be surprised if you hear some showers late tonight into tomorrow morning. Again, not everyone's going to see this activity. And then by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, that's when we see another batch of shower, maybe a couple thunderstorms as well move through. This could roll in by the time we get into late tomorrow evening. Now, the next 7 days, lots of sunshine, feeling a little bit more like summer, as you can see, right around the lower 90s by the time we get to this weekend in northwest Arkansas. The good news is it doesn't look like any sort of significant, summer heat or anything like that. So it's going to be warmer, but it's not going to be that scorcher. So we'll take what we can get with this. It is going to be dry the next several days as well, so we'll have abundant sunshine, and River Valley maybe a little bit warmer into the mid, maybe upper 90s in some locations as well. So summer not quite done yet. Wants to remind us that the season's not entirely over, and we've got
just when you thought we were done with all that.
Oh yes, it's like we've got another round of that summer
At
temperatures.
least it's only 3 or 4 days, not a whole 3 or 4 weeks.
Not too bad, and looking at the forecast for this, I would rather take these 90s than 90s and then 115 heat index values. I know the River Valley is probably going to agree with that, just because some of that summer heat this year, it was just
bad.
It was atrocious.
Not a lot of humidity with this, thankfully.
Not a lot, but thankfully it's not as bad as it could be.
Okay. All right, Joshua, thanks.